Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, are you a newcomer?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Mary.
My name is Jack. Hi, Mary. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Very well, thanks. See you later.
See you later.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Good morning, Ella.
How are you these days?
Pretty well, thank you. How are your parents?
They are very well, thank you.
Hello, Mary.
Hello, Tom. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Not too bad, thank you. How's your mother?
She is very well too. Thanks a lot.
Hi, Lisa. How nice to see you.
Hi, Dave. I haven't seen you for some time.
How's everything with you?
Everything is okay, many thanks.
Please give my kind regards to your family.
Thanks, and the same to you.
Hello, Auntie. How are you getting on?
Hello, Tom. I'm very well, thank you. How's your mother?
She is very well too. And how's my uncle?
He's fine too. Thank you.
Hi, let me introduce myself. I am Jack.
How do you do, Jack? My name is Mary.
How do you do, Mary? Are you a newcomer?
Yes, I am. Let's be friends.
Hi, allow me to introduce Mr. Jones to you. This is Mr. Jones, our headmaster. This is Mr. Edison. How do you do, Mr. Jones? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to our school.
I've come to say goodbye.
I'm sorry you have to go. When are you off?
I'm flying home on Sunday.
Goodbye then, and all the very best.
I must be off now.
Must you go so soon? It's still early.
I'm quite busy. I can't stay any longer.
In that case, I won't keep you any longer.
Sorry to have bothered you. Goodbye.
Take care. Drop in again, please. Goodbye.
I'm afraid I must leave now.
Must you leave now?
I'm afraid so. I have much to do this afternoon.
Well then, see you later. Thank you for coming. Come again whenever you're free.
I'll do that. Goodbye.
I'd better go. It's getting late.
No hurry. Can't you stay any longer?
I'm afraid not. I've taken up a lot of your time.
Thanks for your visit. Good night.
Well, I hope we can get together again if you're free. Good luck.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Ella. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Peter.
Here's a flower for you.
Thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Thank you very much. You too. You'll be a student of Junior 3, won't you?
Yes.
The very best of luck in your studies.
Thank you. The very best of luck to you.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks. The same to you.
Are you going to have a Christmas party?
No. I'll stay at home and watch video. Hi, Mr. Robinson. How are you going to spend the holidays?
Hi, Mr. Gates. I'm going to Florida with my family.
Wonderful. I hope you will have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. Here is a card for you.
Oh, what a nice card. Many thanks.
I'm very glad you like it.
I'll put it on my desk.
Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, Laura.
It's Sunday today. Would you like to see a film? Here is a ticket for you.
It's very kind of you.
Not at all.
Hi, Mary. Hi, Laura. I'd like to go to the bookstore for an English book. Are you free now? Yes, I'd like to go with you. Oh, you're very kind.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Why?
I stepped on your toes. Did I hurt you much?
No, not in the least. Never mind about that.
Hi, Mr. Lee. I am very sorry. What for? I didn't give back the book in time. It's overdue. That's all right. You must be careful next time. Thank you. Goodbye.
Excuse me for my being late, Mr. Brown.
Why are you late, Mary?
Something wrong with the bus on the way.
That's quite all right. Don't worry about that.
Oh, dear. I'm awfully sorry.
Why, Tom?
Mom, I've broken your new vase.
It doesn't matter, but you must take care of everything.
I'll do my best. Hi, Susan. Is school over?
Hi, Peter. May I see your school report?
Here it is.
What a good student you are. You are the first in this exam.
It's very nice of you to say so. Thank you.
Hi, how nice your hairstyle looks.
I'm very glad you like it. Thank you.
I'll do the same.
Go to the barber's near the post office.
Hello, Mary. What are you doing?
Hello, Tom. I'm copying the text. It's my homework.
Oh, what good handwriting.
It's very kind of you to say so. Thank you.
Does your teacher always ask you to do this?
Yes, always.
Will you go home with me after school?
Why, Jack?
I'm collecting stamps. Would you like to have a look? And it's a new hobby.
Oh, great. How many stamps do you have?
Well, I'm just starting. What about you?
I like pop music.
Are you a film fan?
Yes, I find it interesting. What's on tonight?
A very good film, The Last Samurai, at CGV Cinema. Would you like to see it with me?
Thanks a lot. I'll wait for you at 7. Goodbye.
Tell me what you like to do in your free time?
I like painting whenever I have time.
Well, that's interesting. What do you usually paint?
I usually paint trees, flowers and so on in the park. Do you like so?
No, I like reading novels in my free time.
Oh, that's interesting too.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in swimming. And you?
I like running, but I don't like to run in the park. I like to run along the river.
Oh, that's good for health.